because I was running to make for you this video. Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. As we always promised, sure guys. Today we brought for you one of the best, no, actually he's the best tripod at the market in 2021. To be honest with you guys, I didn't see better than this. This is Momax Pro 6. Be careful because there is Momax Pro 5, Momax Pro 2, 1 and stuff like that.
It smells like power!
This is the latest and the best one in the market at the moment. It's so solidary, and this tripod guys can handle any type of camera or phone that you have, okay? As for tripod, because there is big tripods special.
What was that?
Because guys, there's big tripods especially for cameras, that is big one, but this is something else, you don't need it. For example, you need something that you can handle, take it with you while you travel or while you go outside to stream or do something like this, but you don't want to carry huge something with you. This is it. That's it for any SLR camera. Anyway guys, let's not talk too much and let's go unbox. What are you waiting for? Before we go anywhere further, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe right now. I want you to hit the subscribe button until you crack your screen, you know. Let's go! See guys, as I tell you that they say that supporting SLR camera enable until 130 centimeter twisting leg lock. This is the kind of that how you let it stand, you know. When you extend it, you lock it. We're gonna show you. And you have here selfie stack. This is amazing. Guys, I want so much the gold color. I was dying, but I couldn't find, to be honest with you. I bought this black color. See, this is the 360 panel pass. I adore this one because you can move your camera 360 degree without shaking, you know, without anything, just from holder and grab it right and left. Here's the application that you can download it and you can snap from your phone from far away in your iOS or Android. Of course, guys, it's made from aluminum. Okay, you have 3 position here, and this position where they show you now, impossible. What kind of SLR camera? Even the latest Nikon, it will be okay with this tripod, you know. Okay, we have the beautiful bag that they give you here. Okay, let's see later. Strap for your back, for this bag, you know, if you want to carry it. I'm not gonna carry it actually. Yeah guys, this is the color that I want, this gold. Guys, I searched all websites, I couldn't find it. This is about them products, you know. This is show you about them products. Damn guys, amazing this gold color with black. I just wanted, because it's work with my iPhone, iPod and my watch and my even controller, you know. See guys, even my controller is black. Oh, how I love that everything is matching, you know. I adore this. Oh, they give you a key here. Okay, there is key here that you can tie it and lock it. Oh, what I have done. Gun jack. You know this? Yeah, this is for your phone, you know. This is for your phone. It's the exactly like the Momax one that I have it, the Pro Selfie. You just do it like this. Oh, and this is the selfie one. See guys, this is the selfie stack. And this is, you do it like this and like this. See guys, this is the point that I'm talking about. See, you can, from here, you can move right and left. See guys, this is the selfie that you can use it for your SLR camera. Or you can put this one and use it for your phone. If you want to take it outside, this one you can extend it to 90 centimeter. You got me? Like this. If you just want to take a selfie. So, if you want to install the tripod with... And so guys, you know, you can extend it like this. You can open, you know guys how it's work? You open just this like this. You grab it and you extend more. You grab, you extend more. And you grab like this and you extend it more. You know guys, and the table here is not enough wide. And there is something so cute in this tripod. See, they put for you here water skills, you know. You know this water skill? There is circle inside here, if you see. Okay? So, if you now, for example, now I extend it like this, see? I will put it in my laptop. The water skill here is show this water bubble is show a little bit not in the circle, which is meaning he's not standing by the which is mean he's not standing by the right way. You understand me? So you have to put it like this. See, this is a cute point from the Momax, honestly. Now when you untie this, you can grab it until here. So if you wanna, you grab it like this, tie it like this. So now I tied it so much so this will not. Okay, I can grab more, but how I can show you all? Can you see? It's extending so much, you know. Wait, let me show you. See, see guys, it's extended so much like this. Wow, this is too enough, to be honest with you. It's too enough. As for me here, for my channel, I don't need it outside, you got me? But as for me in my channel here is too enough. 128 centimeter, this is too enough for me. To be honest with you guys, you know what I adore in this tripod? That his aluminum is not so heavy, you know? And his tool is too enough for your channel, for your Instagram or YouTube or whatever you want it. Even outside, this tool is enough for you. You got me? You can put it and you can snap by camera, SLR or whatever you want. You know, if this tool is not enough for you, 128 centimeter, which is mean you don't need tripod, you need standard cameras. You need camera standard, like this big one in shops. But this one, you cannot take it with you everywhere, it's heavy. You know, my father, God bless him, he have one, it came with the old Canon, original, from made in Japan. It's really solidary metal, you got me? But it's heavy. But you know, he stay with us now, he's like stainless steel color, maybe 35 years. I mean, the old creation is nothing like the old creation, you know, you have to know that. As cars, as everything, old creation is still the best. Anyway guys, I just give you a quick review. I don't know, I was wanna show you more things, I just wanna install something out of it, but I don't have enough space to back, you know. Anyway guys, I'm trying soon to move to another home, which is I will have more space for me that I can have, I take my comfortability more. So anyway guys, please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like my video, and share this video as well for any friend who's searching for tripod. And we'll see another video with Hatem for Objection. Peace and love and money for all of you.